Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Alright guys, we're heading to a different side of the world this morning. And of course, as Basilia would say, we're going to take you along for the journey. Ooh, Bella around there, Bria around there. We are heading to St. Elizabeth, the Breadbasket Parish. Yeah, Spiritual, you know, feel that? Yeah, Spiritual.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you
One of the reasons why the road is so bad this side of the world, all of these big monsters.
Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In the world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the
Better roads are coming by and by. Yes, yes, yes. We are on better roads. And we're heading to Junction. Yeah, Junction is in the great parish of St. Elizabeth. Of course, that is the land of my father's birth and my grandma. Yeah, big up all the St. Elizabeth people. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sent it.
At the hotel. We're just going to the hotel. We're just here waiting at the shop. We are just waiting until Dad comes back. So we are going to have a nice day out on the road, and hopefully we'll go back home when it's night, and hopefully they didn't lie.
Hey guys, so it's going to be a fantastic day. I always love taking road trips with the family, and so as usual we take you along. Yeah. Bella, say good morning. Hold on. Hey, say hi guys. Say hi guys. Bella is only concerned with Violet. This is Violet.
Yeah.
Let me see if Violet can say something.
Favorite animal is a dog. Is that your favorite too?
And Violet says Bella's name.
Not
She
my
says,
name anymore.
not Bria's name. Bria had this when she was a baby. I used it to teach her to spell her name. So you guys, you can program it to say the child's name and to spell the child's name. So
And you want to hear Bella's song from Violet?
yeah, when we're in a more quiet space, I'll let you hear how the teddy bear talks. But it's a great learning tool, especially to help them spell their name. Auntie Saskia gave this one to Bria when she just turned 1, I think, or before, somewhere thereabouts, long time. And we programmed it to say Bria and spell her name, and now we've programmed it to say Bella. So this is a great learning tool. You can get one. Bella won't let it go. Let me show them. Can I show them?
Okay.
Say I love you. Look this way. Say I love you guys. Say bye bye.
Bye guys.
All right guys, so we'll catch up with you later.
Big KFC too. What's his sign? What's his sign?
What?
What's his sign, people?
What? KFC they at Junction.
I ain't not reach it. No, I don't open yet.
Yeah, but it's a come
Yeah? Hold that.
Yeah, talk up the junction again.
Hold that.
Bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild.
When I was growing up, it used to cost $4 or $5 to return a bottle. Now it's $20 or $600 for a full crate of empties. So, some buckle guy yard there. Gonna buy some crates, sell some bottles. And in my community in some city, they used to have one man who ride around on a donkey with one cart beside it, and he ball out empty pint. You know what I'm used to hear? Henny pint. I wonder why this buckle man I say Henny pint. You know, you get bigger in your ear what it's actually saying, and it makes sense. You might ask if you have no pint. A pint? Yeah. Yeah.
In the world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. 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 Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In the world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. 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 Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In the world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs.
So we're here, guys. It's a nice little chill spot. We'll show you outside in just a moment. But just in case some of you are wondering why I have Bella in my lap, you know, while we're driving, a few times you've probably seen us. So Bella has severe motion sickness. It all started after the pandemic. Well, after the pandemic started. So when the pandemic hit Jamaica in March, we did not go on the road until about September. And guys, let me tell you, when we started going back on the road, if we're moving from the house to the main road, she throws up. And when she's throwing up, because she is, you know, strapped down in the seat, she kind of choking and whatever. So we have had to readjust our seating position so that I'm there to catch it every time it happens, and also to adjust her feeding schedule every time we go on the road. So if your child has severe motion sickness, probably like mine, can you let me know what you do? Somebody suggested gravel, but the doctor said if we don't have to give her right now, don't. So let me know if there's anything specific you do to deal with severe motion sickness. All right, so we are about to have a good time, and you can see my shirt stuck from the cups. Yeah, I'll let you know who we got these from in just a moment. All right, so we got these shirts courtesy of Kane Creations. You can check them out on Instagram. Stuff from the cuff. So mine is in pink and the brand is in blue. We also got 2 mugs and we'll show you those in a different video. So thank you, Kane Creations. We appreciate them. Some persons have been asking about merch. We'll see how that goes soon. But yeah, this is officially our first branded shirts with stuff from the cuff. So thank you, Kane Creations. Appreciate it. Thank you, Kamisha and family.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In the world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In the world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In the world so dark, they bring us some light.
Cufflinks fam. So I just came off a shoot. Came out to surprise. I see an Instagram post talking about Husband Day, and I was just told to sit in the car until we get to where we get. Let's see what's up, alright?
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile,
She's done it again, guys. Totally male. I don't even know what to say. Like, I don't know. I think 2020 did start to cancel everything. So even Husband Day, I'm grateful. I'm gonna give you guys some shots of what's happening, alright? I don't know what to say. I'm blessed. And I'm truly grateful. So guys, I'm at Totally Male in Kingston. Kalisha is going to be giving me a facial. And again, Husband Day 2020. I thought it was cancelled because of 2020. But guess what? The wife has done it again. I've never been to Totally Male. I've only seen it on the TV. But so far so good. It's lovely, the ambience is lovely. And Kalisha is going to take care of me. I'll keep you posted.
opened your for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. 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 Go bring, go bend, go best, go bend.
It's the view for me. Husband Day 2020. I wasn't expecting it. This is 2020. So many things have been cancelled. We could have done it virtually. Why did you think it was still important to have Husband Day 2020?
Because my husband did not take a break during 2020. So when a lot of other things could have been cancelled, Husband Day had to be a part of the calendar because, as I said in the post that we did, you continue to be so consistent and so committed to your role as a husband. So when other things get cancelled, Husband Day have to keep. And every single year, you know this, even if it's the last day of the year, which I've done it on the last day of the year already, Husband Day is always a staple in our calendar. Because you deserve it.
What do you have to say to two sets of people? One, those who don't know of this Husband Day thing and they're maybe thinking about it. And two, those who may say, Husband Day.
Well, it's up to you. Answering the second question, it's up to you. Simple as that. But to answer question number one, so Husband Day came about because, first of all, number one, I'm just extra. Team extra in the building. Yes, extra colextra, right? And, I was thinking of a way when we got married. I was just thinking of another way to celebrate you. And so Husband Day just came up. And I think it was sparked from when I was growing up. My father used to do random things for my mother. I remember one day he came home with a basket and it had Happy Winsome Day on it. And I remember that from a child. I was probably 8 or 9 at the time. And so I always said, when I get married, I'm going to celebrate my spouse randomly, just like Daddy. And Daddy's that kind of spontaneous person. I think I get that from him. So, thank Daddy, babe. Thank Daddy.
Big up yourself, Pops.
So, yeah, that's why I thought about Husband Day. So, every year, it is a day where I just use the opportunity to celebrate you a little bit more. Hi. To celebrate you a little bit more. And it's not, thank you, it's not on any one particular day. Alright, thank you. It's not on any one particular day because I always want it to be a surprise. So it's not on one set day. Like we have Mother's Day and Father's Day. It's not on one set day because I always want you to be surprised. And so this is your 7th Husband Day. 7th Husband Day. And I am just so very happy to be celebrating you again. And I am always grateful for an opportunity to be able to celebrate you because you are an amazing husband. You're my good husband. And I'm so happy that you're mine. And so I take this opportunity to celebrate you. Happy Husband Day 2020.
Why is a Husband Day necessary for those who, I guess, have a good husband? Or we have Mother's Day, we have anniversary, and usually these things are for the women. Why a Husband Day? Why is it necessary? Why do you continue to see it as necessary, generally?
Well, I think as a society, we have we have sort of centered almost every occasion around women. All when it's coming like Father's Day, people tend to shift the focus from men to women. And as we continue to change the narrative with so many other things, this is another department in which, trying to change the narrative as it relates to how we celebrate, our men. And if you are like me and you have a fantastic husband, we always see men doing things for women, and I see it as very important to reciprocate and to let our men know that, hey, you're special too. Hey, you can get roses too. Hey, you can get massage and facial and all of those nice things too.
Bridget,
Yes,
we need some male Bridget.
right? We need to talk to Bridget about that. Yeah, so I think that is very important that we let our men feel appreciated. Yes, them tough and them macho and whatever, but there is still that spot that needs to be caressed, right? And by that I mean they still have emotions, they still have feelings, they're still sensitive to certain things, and they want to feel good too. And so it's my God-given duty to make sure that you feel special and you feel appreciated.
Me feel good too.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.